Hello everybody, here you are again. Impactpoint is building. Today we will start our discussion by saying that we will have two high impact news for USD and for CAD at 3 and 30 minutes PM. But till then we have to do our technical analysis in order to find our best entries to see which was well done for the previous time after the Wednesday discussion, and to see if we will have today some good opportunities. Starting with Euro USD, we will see in a H4 time frame that our stop loss, which was put right here, was hit, and means that our analysis didn't work properly. Why? Because here the price gave us a pin, and after small retracements he went up, which happened. I mean, it's not something very unusual, but here we have our possibility to re-enter the trade by expecting a drop till this level. And if you are willing to enter this trade, it's okay, because with a small risk the price will reach this level. But the question is how the price will behave near this zone. And here we could have a retest of this level, and again an upward move till this level, high level, and strong one, which is a strong one, or a broke of this zone, and the price will go more forward to the downside. Because I mean, here could be a potential entry after this candle here, and which is a high probability for the price to go till here, and without risks. But as we are late here for entry, I suggest this sell opportunity for more aggressive traders. But for more conservative traders, I will suggest to wait to see how the price will behave near this zone, and how the price action will give us a pin bar or a nice construction in order to decide on buy or sell. More than that, we see that here the price touched the 200 EMA, which is a strong support. I mean, we have another confluence for sell, and if we look at MACD, here we see another sell signal. And again, it's up to you to decide on the entering or entering here or not during this move to the downside. But for low risks, is just wait for the price to reach this level, and after that decide on your trading opportunities. Moving forward to GBP USD. So we see that our analysis worked. If you know the previous, if you remind our previous market discussion, I said and mentioned that we have to wait for the price to come down and to retrace and to wait for the price to do a retracement till this level, and after that the price will fall. So we see here that here was a retracement here near the 200 EMA and 50 EMA, and look at this nice drop till this this level, and now the price most probably will go till this level here. Again, I think that it's too late to enter now this trade, because here are the middle of the movement, and will be difficult to put a stop loss, or the stop loss have to be very large, and the take profit very short. I mean, here is a short distance. The TP will be small, but again, let's wait for the price to came here till this level, and after that we will decide. For today, I think it's a bit late, how it is the last last day of the week. But again, we easily could see here a reach of this level, and after that a very aggressive move to the upside till here, or maybe here. But we have to wait here, because we have more, I mean 15 points is not so much time to wait, or it's not just such a big distance. Moving forward to, but again, let's see if we have another scenario, if this level will be broken. In case of that, will be a nice move to the downside, but till then we have to wait to see how the price will behave near this zone. In case of penetration, it's definitely we will wait for a test, and just after that we will be more oriented to sell opportunities. Moving forward to USD Swiss franc, again our analysis worked as well, because if you know, this arrows was put here during Wednesday market discussion, and I said that the price has to retrace to this level, and after that we will see an aggressive move to the downside, and we definitely see that the price did that aggressive move to the downside and was reached our first TP and smashed and the second one with missing 2 or 3 pips here. But if you were in front of your screen, I think that you saw the effect that the price is retracing, and it's a time to close the sell trades. Here we see that price form a double top in H1 time frame, and more than that, we see that here was our buy signal on MACD, and the price is going here. I think that the price will go more further, and it's a good opportunity to open buy orders, because the price may reach this level, because the price has to retrace to this moving average, 200 moving average, and the moving average will be here near this zone. The price may be hit to the moving average, but again we can change places for TP and take this one to put here as a TP1, TP2, excuse me, and this TP like for a TP1. with a stop loss right here or right here as you want, and you feel that uh, regarding your personality as a trader. In H4, we see again here a buy signal on MACD, and let's see if it will work. I mean, it's up to you to take the decision, but we are more oriented for buy opportunities. Moving forward to USD CAD, we see that again our analysis worked as well, because I said that the price has to reach this level, and just after that we will be oriented to sell opportunities. And after the level was reached, the price gave us a nice move to the downside until this trend line. And again, I think that we missed the entry here, because we has to enter right here at this candle, closing of at this candle, because he's a bullish engulfing pattern. Moving into H1, we see that very well. Look at here, and the price, I mean, you could enter here, but the price is already in an aggressive move to the upside till this level. It's up to you to decide how if you want to enter or not, but it's definitely that the price will reach this level, as let me remove this arrow, as he has a strong momentum. And after reaching this level, he again here could be a potentially sell opportunity and to exceed the limits of the triangle, but we don't know for sure until we will be when the price will be near that zone, this zone. Moving forward to USD GPY, here we see that our stop loss was hit, and here we see a crossover of the moving averages, which is fine, because if we put our Fibonacci retracement from here to here, we could have a retracement to this level, and after that a sell. We advise to wait for reaching of this level by the price, or the level to be reached by the price, and here will be a touch of 50 moving average 2, and here will be a nice combination of confirmation, or will be confluences, a lot of confluences, in order to take a decision. And till then, we suggest to wait. Again, the price could give us a second leg of the double top in order to induce more sell orders, and just after that to retrace. It's a nice scenario too. Again, the price could came here, and just after that to go once again here. We don't know for sure, but let's wait for the price to reach or this level, and to see how the price will behave. But here is very risky to enter, because we are in the middle of the nowhere, and this 23.6 level is not a strong Fibonacci level in order to take sell. But again, if here will be a bearish engulfing pattern or something like that, I think that it's okay to take sell trades, but we suggest to be more oriented to high probability trades. And a high probability trade will be when the price will get one of these two strong levels. Moving forward to NZD USD, we see that the price reached this level, as I said, because as we said, impact point, excuse me, that here will be a potentially sell opportunity here. And again, after retracement, we looks like we missed the entry here. Moving to H1, we see that here we had a bullish engulfing pattern right here, and the price will get till this level, and just after the price will reach this level, we'll be more oriented to sell, buys opportunities, or even for sell opportunities. But here it's too late to enter. Let's wait for the price to reach this level, and just after that we will decide on our bias. Moving forward to Aussie. Aussie has the same pattern as NZD/USD. After this strong point of confluences there are met, this level and this trend line and even the moving averages, more precisely 200 EMA, the price reversed here after giving us a bearish engulfing pattern. And here was our entry, but we are too late, I think, to enter, because, or let's wait for a retracement, and just after that to enter for a sell opportunity till this level, to see this level reached, and just when this level will be reached, we will be more oriented to open other trades. But I think that this will be the next week, and we will have other good entries for the next week, beginning with Monday. And let's wait, because patience always pays. Moving forward to Brent, we see that our pattern is likely finished to construct, and here we see a crossover, and it's more likely to go to the downside, and you could potentially enter here with a stop loss near this zone in order to try if the pattern will work. And if we will put a stop loss here with a good risk management, I think that it will be a nice possibility to reach good profits. Let's put here our stop loss. Near this zone. It's up to you to decide how big you want to be your stop loss. I mean, it is definitely a very big stop loss, but for 100 pips, in case if you had a nice capital, you can risk 1%, and which will be nice in order to look for a nice move to the downside. But it's definitely, if here will be an aggressive move, it's high probability that there is high probability that the price will reach this level, because we didn't see here any struggle of the price with the levels. It's just a nice move to the upside. But to be more sure, let's draw a level here, because we see here an activity and to retest of this level, and here also we have a retest, and let's put our first TP here. Well, moving forward to VTI, here we have almost the same pattern. Again, if you decide to do the same thing on Brand, I mean to open sell trades, you can do the same thing here, opening, and you have a possibility to open sell trades. But it's up to you to decide on whether pair, on which instrument do you want to trade. Moving forward to gold, we see that gold has broken this level, and here is a potentially retest of this level. So in order to have a good entry, you have to move to our smaller time frames and to look for a nice retest of this level. Here we see a morning star, or more precisely an evening star, and which could be an entry. And more than that, we see that the price is almost touching the 200 EMAs on a 50 minutes time frame, and maybe it could be a good opportunity for buys. But let's wait the price to get more to go more down in order to reach this level and to see a fine construction of candlesticks. I mean, it could be a bullish engulfing pattern or a hammer, I don't know. But definitely it will be a good opportunity to look for buy trades, for opening buy trades to reach first of all this high level. If not, here we see our middle level between these zones. It's up to you to decide if you want to enter now, but it's better to wait for a more clear opportunity, because even if here we see a buy signal, the price definitely could go lower. In H1 we see that here the price is near the MACD is near the zero line, and let's see a clear bounce of the zero line. I mean, we don't want to see that the MACD will penetrate the zero line in order to go in the negative zone for more sell momentum. And again, in H1 we can identify the fact that here will be a potentially bounce on this moving average, 50 moving average, which will be a high confluence to open buy trades. So here we are for today, and if we do not have any questions or any wishes to do an analysis for a particular instrument, we think we are done for today, and I wish you a nice ending of the week with good profits. And my advice is to analyze your last tradings, setups, and your entries, or you can do this during the weekend in order to improve your style of trading or your next decisions. And see you next time, starting with Monday. Bye bye.